took the Saab today to have the tires rotated and balanced at tire discounters, and I like them. I've used them for a while because I used they bought out the tire store I've used most of my life, and they kept a lot of the employees, so I still use them. But one thing they have certainly changed is the pricing on their tires. They may be called tire discounters, but they're more expensive than ever. So the guy called me and said we had a tire with a broken, with a busted belt on it. That was what was causing our vibration. And he gave me a quote on some tires, and it was outrageous for a cheap set of no-name tires. It was going to cost me almost $600. And I said, no, I don't want any tires. I said, just rotate it. You don't even have to bother balancing it. And he's like, well, I went ahead and rotated them, and he was like, no charge on that. But he said, just let me know about the tires. And I said, no, I don't want them. I can get them at Walmart cheaper. And he seemed a little miffed by that. But anyway, I picked up the car and I wanted to drive it to see if the vibration went away in the steering wheel. Well, I think it's safe to say there's nothing wrong with that tire. I'm cruising at about 87 miles per hour right now. The tires just needed to be rotated and balanced. Exactly what I asked for. They're Cooper tires. They have 50% tread left. They're not dead yet. So, you know, don't try and push tires on me when I don't need them. So anyway, I just wanted to get out here and do a little sunset freeway run just to see how smooth this thing was. And gosh, it's smoother than it's been since we got it. Rotate, balance. That's all she needed. That's all she needed.